In Japan, gyudon isn't just a meal, it's a way of life. At spots like Yoshinoya, Sukiya, and Matsuya, millions enjoy this fast, affordable, and flavorful dish every day. And today, we're going to be making it at home. Let's get started. You will need the following ingredients for today's meal. We will be making enough for 2 people, so if you need more, please scale it accordingly. Starting us off today, we have 300 grams of eye of round steak. I've chilled it in the freezer for 1 hour, which will help us get a cleaner cut. Using a sharp knife, make thin, even cuts against the grain. Cutting against the grain shortens the muscle fibers, making the beef more tender. If you can't find eye of round steak, you can always use any other kind that you might have available. Personally, I like to splurge a bit and use ribeye, but with the meat prices recently, that's a bit out of reach. Now that we have all our beef sliced, let's move on to our onion. Cut off both ends and then cut it in half. Remove the core by making a V incision. Remove the skin. Slice the onion into 4 to 5 millimeter slices. Separating the onion helps them cook evenly. Heat a pot over high heat and add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the 300 grams beef slices. Continue cooking until the beef gets some browning on it. We can now add in our onions and give it a good mix. If you don't like onions, you can always use half the amount this recipe shows. Add in 1 tablespoon sugar. 5 grams Dashi Powder, which is half a packet. Two tablespoons sake, or cooking sake. 2 tablespoons mirin. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. And lastly, half a cup to 1 cup of water. I'll be using 1 cup today, as I like it to be a little extra soupy. Simmer on low for 10 to 20 minutes, placing a lid on it. While this is cooking, let's make an onsen egg. Bring a pot of water to 167 degrees Fahrenheit and gently place in your eggs. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. After they are done cooking, remove them from the water and let them cool for 1 to 2 minutes, or until you can handle touching them. Crack them into a side dish and set it aside while we get back to the main dish. It smells amazing. Let's give it a stir. Grab your favorite bowl and fill it halfway up with rice. Next, let's get some of this amazing beef on top. Can't forget to add a little extra soup too. Let's dig in. Add the onsen egg on top, and our meal is complete. Gyudon is one of my go-to meals when I'm in Japan, and this is just as good. How about you? What's your favorite dish to make at home from your travels? If you enjoyed this video and would like to help a small channel grow, hit that subscribe button. Our next goal is 500 subscribers. For more delicious recipes, click here. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.